For the last 20 years or more, super thin saws has been manufacturing and servicing tough, durable, circular saw cutting tools for the wood industry. First, I'm going to show you tooling related to engineered flooring. Here we have a simulation of a double Arbor splitting unit. What I mean by this is that we've got two spindles that are splitting half from the right spindle and half from the left, producing a wide top layer. The typical layer width can range from 3-inch to, in some cases, 6, 7, 8, 9-inch wide lamellas. The kerf range can vary greatly depending on the wood species, the grade of the timber, the kiln drying process, the grade of the lumber, the species of the lumber, and how wide you're actually cutting. So here we have a side matcher insert cutting head producing micro bevel. So we have a micro bevel cutter and a insert tongue and groove cutter head for engineered flooring. Here we're producing core layer slats, which you can see right here. These are core layer slats that go on the base of a top layer slat for engineered flooring slat production. Just showing lots of different diameter splitting saws so that you can see that we can, the larger the diameter, the deeper you cut. So this bigger one might cut up to 4-inch depth of cut on one blade, so that could be 8 inches total. This one would be a much less. Here we have a high-speed side matcher cutter head for engineered flooring or solid wood flooring. Just showing you an insert style high feed rate with a hydro mount cutter set. So here we have a CNC tool mount holder that's mounted on some thin rim saws. This could be for the wind industry, for core layer. So the focus here is to show the difference between a straight plate blade and a hub blade, similar kerfs, and where we would use this. A straight blade is more of an economical blade, less cost to the tool, but it's more of a disposable blade. It doesn't have the strength of a hub blade. The stiffness is not quite the same, and you can't go nearly as thin, but we do manufacture both lines of saws. So here we're showing a HSK power lock tool holder, hydro lock, mounted with a series of hub thin saws that are producing some kind of core layer or slat example. So here we have a series of cutoff saws and end matcher tooling. We're just showing a sampling of optimizing blades to micro bevel to tongue cutters to trim saws, just a sampling of what we do. Here we got a simulation of a lot of different gang rip saws, anywhere from cutting foam, plastic, wood, MDF, solid wood, just showing a sampling of all different blades. Here we got a moving axis rip saw blades. This is a hogger set, so it's producing like a 3/4 inch kerf. At super thin, our team ensures our tools meet your needs.